Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box yet again. I got 3 more of those coming in a row. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is TanTan Men Kinchan. TanTan Men from it's not Togarashi Seifun. It's the title. Yeah. It's got this guy on it. He's all, yeah, give me more, give me more. So anyways, I'm a little out of it. We went, so my wife and my son just took off. Actually, they just landed in Oakland. And, my daughter and I went out for a nice stroll around the area, over 7 miles, and my feet are killing me. Yesterday I did 13 miles, so then over 20 miles in the last so many odd hours. But yeah, this is a TanTan Men, so it should be pretty darn good. We're gonna place that in here to make less of a mess that I'll have to clean up later. And yeah, 3 minutes, standard. This brand is pretty neat stuff. There we are. It's like a brand that was lesser known and more regional, and then it kind of regained popularity. That's something I heard, or something like that. Yeah, 3 minutes. So yeah, I'm freaking beat. Yeah, it feels like there's like a hole in my foot, and that's no good. I've been doing a lot of walking lately, so it's not like I've been like overdoing it. Well, as far as my feet are concerned, I have, but whatever. And what we got planned? So it's just me and my daughter for today, and then tomorrow my sister's going to come down. We're going to go up to my ancestral home in Anacortes, Washington. They've got a big thing called the Shipwreck Day Festival, which is basically, it's not as good as it used to be, but basically Main Street turns into a big garage sale. So people buy booths and do garage sale stuff. Usually I pick up some weird junk. I got some cash, so we'll see how it goes. But, yeah. And then we're going to come back like Sunday night. So, should be nice. Should get some good footage while I'm up there. That's my plan. But yeah, I'm freaking beat. But we're going to, after this is done and I get all this stuff settled and dealt with, I'm gonna make some dough, and we're gonna have homemade pizza for dinner, which is fancy. And yeah, it should be a good weekend. I mean, of course, we miss them, but you know, they're gonna go down there and hang out. Miles gets to hang out with Grandma and Grandpa. She gets to have a nice visit with her folks. Her grandpa, Miles' great-grandfather, this weekend is his 101st birthday, so big happy birthday, shout out to him. Although this is July, it's like July 15th today, so I mean, you know, that was a while back for you folk. Yeah, God, but it's like 2 o'clock. It was a nice breeze most of the walking today, which I really, really like. Oh, that's chicken. I was thinking I'd put some chicken in this. Why not, right? Yeah, oh God. But yeah, it's a walk that I do almost every day. Yesterday I did extra. Usually I'll go up the trail, go around this loop, come back down the trail. Today I went to the thrift store, then we went to the grocery store, and then came home. Yesterday I kept going down the trail, past the big park down that way, and all the way to Lake Forest Park, which is another town further down. So that ended up being a 13-mile walking day. And then I went out again last night. Yeah, so I did that, and then I did more. Day before I had gone out, then I went out again after that. So it's just been walking central. Got to change them socks. I'm a real big stickler for shoes. I'm a picky shoe guy. I will talk to you about shoes in the next episode. And actually, a fan of the show, he was kind enough to turn me on to these shoes. And in fact, he bought me a pair of these shoes to see what I thought of them. Which was above and beyond. What a cool dude. He also sent me, what was it? 2 cams. 2 cameras? Yeah. Yeah. Super cool guy. Wow. It's really, really amazing to me that people will, like, be that kind. I really appreciate it. If you're watching this episode, you know who you are, and thank you again so much. Hope you are doing well. So here is our TanTan men. Let's get rid of the spill away thing. And I got more of those little bowl things. That's right. That's why I went out to the grocery store yet again last night. Yeah. Smells pretty good. God, what is the name of this company? Does it have the website on it? I'm gonna kick myself if I can't tell you the name of it, but even though it is in the title. No, there's no English on this sucker. 4 minutes. Oh, well, I think we're probably about there anyways. I thought it was only 3. My bad. Oh my God. Look at that broth. That is that color. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. That is the what do you call it? That's TanTan men that I can get with in a major way. I'm going to see if this bowl offsets that color nicely, because it's a very rich, almost a metallic rust red broth. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. And the noodle is nice as well. Oh, I want to eat that. I'm really hungry. Something like that. What else do we want to do to this? I have this chicken here, see, and I want to do something with this chicken, but You know, I don't think it's necessary. I've got nice eggs as well, but I'm not gonna use eggs on this. No. If you're careful and you don't get any of the soap on the floor. Okay, thank you. Love you. Mimi's gonna play with bubbles. Alright. Oh, that was freaky. Here, let's fix that. Whoa, what's going on here? Okay, that was the wrong. There we are. Come on. There you are. There you are. You're making bubbles?
I got a bubble.
Good job. Yeah. Very nice. Well, keep doing your bubbles now. That's what you do. Bubbles. You're gonna see is this Nissan Menshokunen Koidashi Agodashi from Japan, also from a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider and get yourself a nice discount. Isn't that funky? Okay, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Later.